It comes with a locking nut there, a grub screw that locks the prop nut in place. Yes, fitting that was a complete nightmare, wasn't it? To be fair, you know, it doesn't have to be. You don't have to bend it off in there, you know what I mean? Okay, on my next trick, I will apply some of the Brunton supplied thread lock, and incidentally you get thread lock and a greasing nipple for servicing the prop with it. Of course, it's service ready to go at the moment. I don't need to do anything with that, but oh, that's going to be lovely. Look at that. It's going to be lovely. This looks, I'm very impressed so far. It's extremely well engineered. It's very easy to fit, you know, it comes just ready. You put it on. Any minor issues I've encountered have been nothing to do with really the prop or its, you know, design. It's more to do with every installation is a bit unique, isn't it? A bit. That's just going to be incredible. Look at that. It's going to be incredible. Now, I'm going to fit this. Those are nylon threads. Obviously, we don't put thread lock on there. Obviously, right? Yeah. So the nose cone there. Let's fit it on. Ultra happy with everything. All it says really in the instructions for this is don't over tighten them. Well, that this is another little design feature that I really like, because as I said earlier, there's no way that's ever going to be a problem getting out of there, is it? No problem at all. If it falls off, no big deal, because you replace them once a year anyway. There it is. Quite remarkable, isn't it? Look at that. So engine in ahead, engine in stern, and sailing. Very nice. They're quite a lot heavier. They're quite a lot heavier than an ordinary propeller. However, as long as your cutlass bearing is in good order, and this one is, there's hardly any play in it, it shouldn't be a problem. But you do actually say in the fitting instructions that if the cutlass bearing is worn, if it's worn, then you should replace it, because you can get vibration otherwise. I think that'll be fine. That's it, ready to go. I'm going to coat that in some lanolin. That's what I use on my props, because it keeps them, it seems to anyway, it seems to work for me. So I've got some of that back at the back cave. I'll get that, bring it down. That's it, job's a good one.